The United Nations Charter is the founding document of the United Nations, an international organization dedicated to promoting international cooperation and resolving conflicts between nations. It was signed on June 26, 1945 in San Francisco, California, by the representatives of 50 countries. The United Nations Charter sets out the purposes, principles, and organs of the United Nations, as well as the rights and duties of member states. Its main goals are to maintain international peace and security, to develop friendly relations among nations, and to cooperate in solving international problems and promoting respect for human rights. The United Nations Charter also established the main organs of the United Nations, including the General Assembly, the Security Council, the International Court of Justice, and the Secretariat. These organs work together to achieve the goals of the United Nations, with the General Assembly serving as a forum for member states to discuss and coordinate on international issues, the Security Council responsible for maintaining international peace and security, and the International Court of Justice serving as the main judicial body of the United Nations.